Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Data. In today's video, I'll guide you how to fix critical process dialed blue screen error on Windows 10. Click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Then first you have to try by clicking Startup Repair. So click on Startup Repair and see if that fixes the problem. If not, then again you need to come to the same options and choose Command Prompt. The black window will be coming up. Now you have to run some commands. So type the first command bootrec /fixmbr. Hit enter. Now you have to type bootrec /fixboot. Again hit enter. In case you get access is denied, no problem, you can proceed with the next command. Now type the following command and hit enter. After that you have to type bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type the next command, which will be bootrec /rebuild. Hit enter. Now you have to type sfc /scannow and hit enter. This command will take some time, so you just need to wait until it is 100% completed. Once done, the last command will be chkdsk C, then the colon sign, hit enter. Now this will also take some time, so wait until it completes. Now you can close the command prompt. Click on continue. So if this worked for you, go ahead and click on subscribe button. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.